This is a meditation made especially for you, those who are learning to embrace their new hip or hips. It's recorded by me, Genevieve Stonebridge, clinical counselor, in collaboration with two wonderful women who have also gone through perhaps what you are going through. And they wanted to offer some of their wisdom in helping your body to heal and deal with the changes that it has gone through. So I want to invite you to find a way to settle into this moment, knowing that will look like something different for each one of our bodies. You may wish to lay down for this meditation and find a comfortable position for your body. You may wish to sit upright. Taking the time now to really listen to how would your body like to best relax and settle into this practice. Making those adjustments now. And as you do so, notice your breath. Notice the moment and notice the choices that you make listening to your body. The subtle changes and shifts that you have probably already been getting used to really can make a difference for letting your body settle and soften. And giving that feedback loop of listening can really help in this journey of change. So as you settle to however your body would like to be present for this practice, allowing yourself to fully arrive to right here, right now. Noticing the contact points your body makes with the space you're in. Perhaps it's feet on the ground and body in the chair, or maybe it's the way your body makes connection to the bed beneath you. Noticing these main contact points, the feet, the legs, the hips, the arms, the back, and up the neck to the head. Acknowledging an awareness for the whole body. And of course, awareness of the breath. Inviting now 3 intentional breaths, breathing in and breathing out. At your own pace, just noticing that inhaling and exhaling. And one more time intentionally inhaling and exhaling. And noticing with this brief body scan where there may be tension and tightness, and similarly where there may be ease in your body. It might be surprising to notice that it's not all in the hips. Maybe there's a tightness in the jaw or the temples, or maybe there's an ease in the lower legs. Just noticing whatever there is to notice. The ease and the tightness, and awareness how we can have both and. This awareness helps us in embracing the change. So bringing that consciousness now to a place in your body where you do feel ease, spaciousness. It might be the soles of your feet. It might be your breath. And your breath is a very ever-present and constant guide through this practice. So anytime an invitation becomes uncomfortable or too much, just invite you to come back to the feeling of the breath, inhaling and exhaling. But now acknowledging that place in the body where there is space, where there is ease, and having some breaths here. Grounding into the places where we feel the spaciousness can allow us to have patience for those parts where there may be tightness or tension. So acknowledging here the ease or spaciousness. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. And then with that same consciousness, with this awareness of spaciousness and ease and breath, exploring the area of your body where the change has gone on. This turning towards the part there may be tension, tightness, the part that may cause you to inhale and forget to exhale. This is what we often do when there is pain, when there is change and there is discomfort. So inviting you to really gently now start to explore the area of newness in your body. Seeing if you can befriend it, just like you would if you were meeting someone new. We don't quickly approach and smother. We also simply don't turn away. If we really want to get to know, we have to gently approach with curiosity, mindfulness, and maybe a bit of kindness. Exploring here into the hips or hip. Just noticing with gentle breath and awareness. And remembering you are in control. If you need to go back to that area where there is ease and spaciousness, you can. But if you can, in this moment, exploring for 3 conscious breaths, breathing into the hips, this awareness of hello and of patience, knowing that you are growing together. And perhaps even thinking of the possibility of this new beginning. And with every change, there is, of course, some growing pains. But there also can be great new possibilities. So perhaps considering now what might be a great hope for you with this changed body, knowing that it won't be without grief, but it also can be filled with hope and possibility. Honoring and acknowledging, breathing here. And then noticing what else is happening in your body, perhaps in your shoulders, in your arms, right up to the top of your head, and then back down the torso, the spine, back into the hips, then breathing down into the legs, into the soles of the feet, with awareness of the whole body. Welcoming and receiving this new part of your body, knowing it has come in kindness and in choice to try and help to bring some more ease and flow into your life. So as you get ready to step into the rest of your day or evening, considering this idea of holding both and the space and the places within where there is ease can help to companion those parts that feel new, that feel tight. And remembering with every new beginning, there is great possibility that requires a patience and kindness. So So as we prepare to come out of this meditation, just pausing here for 3 intentional breaths, remembering your breath is a constant guide. Breathing in moment by moment. Breath by breath, inhaling and exhaling. And when you're ready, after you've taken 3 breaths at your own pace, beginning to wiggle fingers and toes, noticing those contact points with the floor, the chair, the bed, however. And then slowly beginning to flutter the eyes open, notice the light and space around you. And then if it feels right for you, think about how you can step mindfully into this day, even just acknowledging your hips as you move forward and into this day with a deeper sense of knowing and acknowledgement and of patience and kindness for this healing journey your body is on. Blessings to you, whoever you are and wherever you are. May patience light your path today.